Welcome back, friends. Today I'm going to show you laser app. So how it works in MS Excel. So let me explain one by one. You can see on the screen what field we used. So firstly, I am going to start from this button. If you click on this button, so you will get laser form. Suppose you want to fill the details. Customer name is Tajuddin, and customer mobile number is 123, and address is Noida. Noida. Date, no need to fill the date, it will pick automatically. And item, you can select from the drop down, and this bin select this item, and the amount 40 kg you want to take it, you want to purchase it, and the rate of this item is suppose 30 rupees. And total, how much amount would be total? If you will calculate, so you can see date is come automatically, and total amount would be 1200. Suppose customer will pay only 100 rupees, uh, uh, 700 rupees, 700 rupees. So how much he will pay next time? 500 will be pay next time. So you can mention these things in the description box. So customer will pay 500 rupees, and you can submit this button, submit this detail. That data have been saved. And suppose you want to make another items, so you can click clear button, and you can fill the details accordingly. And suppose you don't, so you can close this button and come to in this page, in this sheets. And suppose you want to check whatever transaction happened particular from any numbers. Suppose whatever we um, entered entered the details before in the into the ledger form. So I want to check all the transaction, particular any numbers. So you will put the number only in this box. So you want to see 1 to 3. So all the transaction happened in from this number. So again you can see, suppose, so you can see all the transaction happened from this numbers. And so you can search all the details from the mobile numbers or name as well. So whatever detail you enter into the laser form, you can see all the details in such a way that so you can maintain the data if you handling any kind of the business. So this is about the laser form. So guys, if you have any query regarding this laser form, if you want to if you want to make changes anything, so please comment on the description box. So and please share. Thank you very much.